How's it going, guys? It's ThunderBuddy01 here, along with where the f did you go?
I'm Clay Ranger 143.
Yep, and IEMBot just dinged at me because Albany issued a public information statement that nobody really cares about right now. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a Midland WR300. But ThunderBuddy01, don't you already? Oh, fuck, where is it? Don't you already have a WR300 right over here? Well, yes, I do actually.
No, you don't.
God damn it. So, don't you already have a WR300, Mr. ThunderBuddy01? Yes, I do, but this is actually a version 5. And I forgot to change the siren setting, so... And yeah, as you can tell by all the red lights in my room, I got a flash flood warning, and what the heck just got a shit... Ah, Mount Howie! So, getting back to the topic at hand, I got a WR300 version 1. So we're gonna set this down in a totally not getaway because I don't feel like getting out my tripod. And we shall be cutting open this pretty box with my pretty keys. And it's just, oh shoot, how is this gonna work? Oh, probably if I just go like, oh, this is gonna be fun. Will this key work? Okay, how am I gonna... Oh, well, I could just rip it open myself. It's just a box. And I see a note in here. That's actually a first. Let's see. Oh, of course there's one side that doesn't want to come undone, so... That's perfect. Oh, okay. Having to use 3 different keys to take open this... To take apart this box, and there we go. And... Alright, let's see what this note says. It says, price and shipping paid for the radio. Thank you for your purchase. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me so I can help resolve them. Your positive feedback is greatly appreciated. It has been a pleasure doing business with you. Regards, Joey Sexton. Why, thank you, kind sir. Well, let's take apart the insides of this box. And here, actually, no, I'm not going to show you just yet. Oh look, bubble wrap. I'm gonna be popping this later, unless someone decides to save it. Here's the AC adapter, and oh my goodness, this thing looks like the WR100 adapters. Like, don't you agree?
Yeah, it does. Wait. Actually, my 300 adapter is the same design.
Oh wow.
Mine's a version
4.
Yeah, mine's a version 4.
Yeah. However, this is my lovely little teddy bears, and that sounds extremely wrong. This, my friends, this, my friends, is not a version 4. And I already have the place for this beautiful radio. And we shall put my car keys somewhere else so I don't step on them and hurt my foot, like pretty much every other Call of Duty player does when they step on a Lego. I had
Step on Legos, ouchie.
Yeah. And where did my ghetto tripod thing go? Oh, there it is. So, set this down here again. Here's the radio inside the bubble wrap. We shall be taking this off, assuming I can find the end.
That's what she said.
Yeah. You know what? I'm actually gonna.
Melissa will be so. Hey, Nicholas.
Yeah.
Melissa will be so proud of me.
Oh goodness.
Well, hey, she said it in the Bearcat unboxing. Now I'm returning the favor.
Oh, absolutely, you are. And if I. Alright, anyways, let's take out the bubble wrap. And what the. Alright, the tape is off on one side. There is one coating of bubble wrap gone. Actually, no. It's not one coating of bubble wrap. And if I can move all this junk out of the way. Here she is.
Oh, damn.
Yep. Now we're gonna press all the buttons to wish this thing good luck in service.
A Matthew Schreier tradition that will never stop existing.
Oh, absolutely. And I especially need the good luck today, because as you can tell, I got a bunch of floods!
Bunch of floods!
Yep. And we shall be plugging this in and stepping on tape. Version 1.
Oh, it's a 1?
Yep.
Shite.
Alright, so
Damn.
programming these WR300s is relatively easy. First you gotta raise up the antenna. Holy crap, the antenna on this thing is just about as big as the antenna on my version 5. I am in shock. Especially
Just
for...
as big, that's what she said again.
God damn it, we're gonna go with all the sex jokes, aren't we?
Hey, you did it to me in a 12x261 radio review that was on your big stick.
Yep, I did. So, alert mode, we're saying
Just
that's
wait
a
till you
voice.
guys see that episode. God.
County code, we'll set those to all. Oh, actually...
Across the warren area. Up to 2 inches of rain.
Oh, here's the flash flood warning that I captured.
Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage.
Alright, defeat siren. Tune TV warning. Oh, you can actually disable that. Flash flood warning.
Oh,
Basically,
I'll tell you a little bit. If you didn't know already, Nicholas,
yeah.
I think you already knew this, but did you know that on the version 1s and 2s, I think, that you could disable emergency action termination?
Oh, I remember that. I actually saw AJ's unboxing of this exact radio.
Let's see it on yours there.
Tune TV emergency. Actually, hold on. Now that I think about it, I should probably disable like anything that's not recognized. Oh, fuck. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Tune TV watch, we'll disable that. Tune TV emergency, we'll disable that. It's the 911 phone. Anyways. Tune TV statement, we'll disable that. Yeah. Yeah, you can disable the EATs on here. Yeah.
Hey, I want an EAT. I want an EAT, please. Nom nom.
Oh, Lord. National Periodic Test. Holy crap, they had this back on there. Oh, yeah, it's a version 1. I'm dumb. Required monthly test. System demonstration practice. Holy crap, that wording is just nostalgic to my ears. And looks like I'll be adding in some other thing, some alerts after this video. So let's see. at a...
What do you want, Morris Town?
Alright, siren level, we'll turn this to high.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, I forgot, if you turn this
Sorry to interrupt, but Morristown issued a flood report that involves Kyle Busch and literally every fucking NASCAR driver at Bristol Motor Speedway. Because look at this. 6 miles southwest of Bristol, Tennessee, Sullivan County, Tennessee. Broadcast media reports flooded at 11:30 p.m. yesterday. Flooding in parking lot at Bristol Motor Speedway entered souvenir tents set up for a race event.
Wow.
I'm not even joking. Look, that's what it says.
I am shocked about that.
Posting
that in his feeds, but look in your PMs.
Oh, some Kyle Busch won't be racing today!
Of course I tried to zoom in, but Skype wouldn't let me. Let's see. 6 miles southwest of Bristol, Tennessee, in Sullivan County. Broadcast media reports flood at April 15th at 11:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Flooding in parking lot at Bristol Motor Speedway entered souvenir tents set up for a race event. That totally doesn't scream NASCAR.
Absolutely no doubt in hell whatsoever, because you got
Yeah, and I got backed out of the menu. So, oh yeah, I forgot. If you have the siren level set to high on this radio, it's gonna set the button beeps to high as well. So just beware. Set up time. We're gonna use the time on my Mac. It's 12:15. Actually, no, 16. Date is 16th of April 2018. Alright. The only reason why it's getting a bad signal over here is because it's right next to my laptop, and pretty much every other radio up here that says flash flood warning. And I just realized the M on the 519 is just kind of a offset, so fix that. There we go. And okay, them's oh yeah, that's right. You can't. There's no backlight settings on these older radios. So we're gonna put this right next to a few radios that actually have a green alert light, and those would be the radios that Clay just absolutely loves with all his heart, the Zone Guards. Yep.
5 knots. Seats 10 to 12 feet. Visibility to 3 nautical miles.
Better reception than my black and silver. So yeah, now we have 27 radios in my collection. Holy crap. So there's that. Hope you guys enjoyed that very devious, well, unboxing of the Midland WR300 version 1. Be sure to strike them likes and flood that subscribe button. And also be sure to flood that notification bell to get the latest content from Thunderbuddy 01 Productions. Also be sure to subscribe to this big rat over here. Yep. And see you later, guys. This has been Thunderbuddy 01, along with
Clear Range 143.
and see ya, unless another freaking flash flood warning decides to come in.